In this quick guide, we're going to dive into how to create workflow templates in Process.st. If you're new to the software, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up your own workflow templates like a pro, saving you and your team time and ensuring consistency across all your processes. Stick around till the end because I've got some exclusive bonus details to share on how you can access Process.st completely free. Creating workflow templates in Process.st is straightforward, and it's designed to streamline your operations. The first thing you want to do is log into your account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. You can sign up for a completely free version using the first link in the description below. Once you're logged in, head over to the Templates tab. This is where all your workflow templates will live. Now, let's create a new one. Click the New Template button. You'll be prompted to give your template a name, something that clearly describes the process you're automating, like onboarding new employees or client project setup. After naming your template, it's time to start building it. The next step is to add tasks. Tasks are the core steps that need to be followed in your workflow. For example, in an employee onboarding template, you might have tasks like send welcome email, set up workstation, and schedule orientation. To add a task, simply click Add Task, then type the task description. You can create as many tasks as you need for your workflow. For each task, you can also set up checklists to break down more complex steps, making sure nothing gets missed. Now let's talk about conditional logic. This is one of the most powerful features of Process.st. It allows you to create different paths in your workflow depending on how things progress. For instance, if an employee is working remotely, you can automatically include additional tasks like send laptop and set up VPN access. To use conditional logic, just click on the Add Conditional Task button and set the criteria that must be met for that task to appear. Next, it's time to add form fields. These are great for collecting data right within your workflow. If you need to gather information like employee names, project deadlines, or client details, you can add form fields to your tasks. Simply click the Add Field button, choose the type of field you need, like text, date, or dropdown, and then customize it according to your needs. One of the best things about Process.st is its ability to automate your workflows. After setting up your tasks, you can create automations to trigger actions when certain tasks are completed. For example, once the task Send Welcome Email is marked complete, you can automatically send a follow-up email or assign a new task to another team member. You can integrate Process.st with other tools like Zapier to make this even more powerful. When you're happy with your template, it's time to save it. Click the Save Template button, and now you have a reusable workflow template you can apply to any project or process in the future. Before we wrap up, remember, if you want to try Process.st for free, you can sign up through the first link below. I also have an exclusive extended free trial that will give you access to all the premium features to get the most out of your workflows. This offer is available for a limited time, so make sure to grab it while you can. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to create workflow templates in Process.st. It's a powerful tool that can help you automate and optimize your processes, saving you time and improving efficiency. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out the first link below for that exclusive free trial offer and start creating your own templates today.